The journey to 1,000,000 miles continues. 2004 Toyota Camry PCV valve replacement. You're going to need a 10mm socket, and we're going to use that to remove the two bolts from the top of the cover here. Once you get those off, just pop it off. Not too difficult. Here's the new PCV valve, and here is where it goes. I used some needle nose pliers there's a little spring back there. Just kind of pull that down a little bit and pull the hose off. There you go. And then it's a 22mm socket. I have a 3/8 adapter, 3/8 to 1/2 adapter on a 3/8 ratchet flex head. So just go ahead and loosen it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. Not too difficult. It's a fairly easy job. I want to replace this PCV valve because this guy on my block wants to race me. He has a new Mustang V8 with a supercharger, and I beat him the last time we raced by 2 car lengths. So if I replace this PCV valve, I should add about 20 horsepower. All right, so there's the old one. If you shake it and you hear it shaking, that means it's probably good. Here's the new one. I always like to compare 2 parts, make sure it's the right thing. Parts guys, they give you the wrong parts sometimes. So this one looks like it's the same. And just put that right back on there. Righty tighty. Yeah, it's really important to replace this PCV valve because if it gets clogged up, you get too much crankcase vapors, and they could start to blow out your front main seal and your rear main seal because there's too much pressure building up in the crankcase. So there we go. Just go ahead and tighten that, and that way if anybody on your block wants to race you, you can destroy them with your super fast Toyota Camry. There we go. See, I like to torque it until it kind of, well, not torque it, but tighten it until it kind of pushes back on you. That's how I can feel when it's tight enough. There you go, and pop that hose back on there. You just added about 20 horsepower to your car with your new PCV valve. 1 thumbs up. No, 2. We need 2 thumbs up. Yeah. There we go. Close up and goodbye.